Hi guys, welcome back to PHIXLAB. So my name is Phils, and today I want to point to something that's been trending lately, really since 2023. That's actually what 2023 brought. 2021 we have NFT, blockchains and stuff. 2023 we had a massive influx of AI, and there's been a lot of worries by people probably doing some kind of jobs, being afraid that probably AI is going to take their job, and it's not a lie for us to actually try to look away from the realities of what AI is doing. But I want to paint my own opinion on my own standpoint, and let me also know what you think in the comment section. All right, because I think it makes sense for us to probably talk about this, especially some of us that are actually in the technology space, and how do we actually take advantage of this instead of actually cry. From my own point of view, I think AI is not going to take all your jobs. For instance, it's going to take some jobs, and just like it has ever happened, all right? So we're not going to start crying about AI taking jobs or AI not taking jobs, because as technology improves, as things change, jobs are always being taken away. Let's paint another picture. Before the advent of Spotify, Apple Music, and all these streaming platforms, there's been CD productions, there's been massive companies that actually made money by building CDs, Blu-ray CDs, very expensive optical CDs, right, where you have to slot in your CD and play music. There's been other industries, videotapes, that's been disrupted by technology. So I don't think that AI coming in now is going to be a different ball game. I understand that there are some negative part of the AI that we might actually be worried about, which is actually everywhere in every other advancements and technologies, right? So we've had atomic bombs. It's not like every day a bomb is being dropped off somewhere and kill people without cause, all right? So I think the only thing we can do is to make policies that really still make people innovative, and also people to also think instead of being over dependent on this. In as much as we're not going to be able to take that, just like today we have social medias and people are actually kind of addicted to social medias than real life, AI is all going to have its own negative impact. I think its negative impact that I see is more on the dependencies than actually taking jobs, right? Because people wouldn't really be able to think. Just like today, we can't really converse, right? In real life, we can't really go talk to people the way we should have actually done if there is no social media. So we all keep on scrolling, and immediately we can't scroll, we seem to have kind of depression or something. And that's what AI is going to do at some point, is we're going to be dependent on that. Just like as some of us are actually dependent on Google, all right? So for everything that comes to your mind, you have to go to Google that. And that's the same thing that I think is going to happen. But I think if you're smart, what you could do with the AI that is actually on your face, just like we had excess information, it's actually very difficult to filter information when there's too much information. All right, today you have Google, you have JSTOR, you have public repositories of books and informations, yet 99% of people are actually not very much informed. You know, we all follow trends, and whatever that is being spread, we kind of follow that, and we don't probably verify that. That's actually another thing that we also should worry about than the AI itself. So the key thing you should take away from this information that I'm trying to share is that make good use of the AI for whatever thing you are doing. If you're in the tech, use that to improve yourself. Be better at that. It helps your productivity, and then it also helps you to learn, because in as much as you're actually going through those explainers that AI can give you, all right, aside from you are using that on the job to probably write for writers and article stuff like that, there's a lot of things that it can actually explain to you that nobody would ever have been able to explain to you. So that's the advantage that I see. So if you're worried about AI, if you're a tech person worried about AI being able to take your job, have you ever thought about people that don't have tech jobs, that's doing one odd thing in the village? AI wouldn't really touch them. All right, so that means you have to be able to scale up your tasks to a point where you should be able to, you know, feel comfortable, and you can actually use the AI to actually learn something like that. So that's what I'm trying to point out in this very video. Not only the past 5 minutes. And also, if you're here first in my channel, don't forget to subscribe, because this is where we learn how to create apps, and actually we're going to do better stuffs coming very soon. I'm very sorry for not have actually posted for a while because of a lot of jobs on the table, and I promise to always try to drop a video maybe every month, no matter how small it is. It will not really get lengthy the way it used to be, but I promise you will always get a better video. And please turn on the notification bell if this is your first time, and I'm going to see you on the inside. I'm actually working on a course that is going to be very long course, and by the end of the course you should be able to learn how to build app from design to finish, with all the databases, with all the state management and nice user interfaces and everything that you need to do. So hang on the channel, and let me hear what you think about this very information on the comment section. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Peace.